Echoes.xyz is a tool to make locative audio projects that run on a mobile phone. It's commonly used for making audio tour guides, but can be used for more creative and experimental purposes as well. Echoes comprises a web app called Echoes Creator and a phone app called Echoes Explorer that runs on both Android and iOS. Your first step will be devising, recording, editing, mixing, and bouncing out your audio. Start with some small experiments and test them out on your phone. Choose a title and write a description for your project and for each piece of audio. Bouncing your mix from Pro Tools and converting to M4A. Echoes requires an M4A or AAC audio file. Bounce out your mix from Pro Tools as a 16-bit 48 kHz stereo WAV file. Locate your bounced file in the Bounced Files folder and open it in QuickTime Player. Select File, Export as Audio Only. On Windows, you can use a free app such as Adapter or Sound Converter. Making your Echoes Creator account. Echoes Creator works best with the Chrome browser. Go to Echoes.xyz. Check out some of the cool projects on the website. Click on the link to Our Free Apps or Echoes Creative Apps in the menu. Scroll down to the link Get Creator. Click Login or Sign Up to make an account. Use your UTS email address. Complete your profile with your full name. I'll need to see this when I mark your work. First, let's cover some of the terminology in the app. A collection is the name for an Echoes project that contains your audio and the locations that trigger the audio playback. You should set a title, description, and cover image for your collection. An echo is a geo-fenced zone or a stopping point on a tour. Each echo can contain one element or audio file, as well as a title, description, and cover image. This content can then be triggered in the Explorer mobile app when a user physically gets to the location and triggers the geolocated audio response. Echoes can be circles or polygons. Polygons allow more flexibility with triggering, but circles allow you to use spatialization so the sound gets louder as you move towards the center. An element contains a single audio file. Elements can have different options for setting their playback. Playback loop enables the sound to loop while a listener is inside the echo. Play complete means the sound will play to the end even if the listener leaves the particular echo. Play once means the sound will only play once even if the user re-enters the particular echo. Spatialization only applies to circle echoes. The sound gets louder towards the center. Lines are used for testing your creations. You will use lines to make sure your collection can be assessed the way you would like it to be heard. I'll use lines to listen into your project rather than traveling to the location where they are meant to be heard. Add a new line by drawing one on the map using the Line tool. Make sure it passes through some of your echoes. Click the pencil icon to edit the line, and pressing the play button will start simulation of your walk along the line. Starting a new collection. Create a collection in the Creator by clicking the plus button at the bottom left. Start editing by clicking the pencil icon. Give your collection a descriptive title and a detailed description. You can come back and edit this later. Add an image by clicking on the image icon. Choose a location on the map or search for a location in the search bar above the map. Adding the satellite layer or hybrid display makes it easier to locate features on the map. Toggle the map to full screen to see more clearly. Make your first echo. Add an echo by drawing on the map using the On-Map tools. Reposition and reshape the echo how you would like it. Circles allow for fade in and fade out as the listener moves towards the center. The polygon tool can create irregular shapes. Give your echo a title and description. Add a sound by first adding an element. Click the Create Element button to add an element. Give the sound a title. Click the sound icon to upload your sound file. Remember that it should be an M4A file. Choose Play Loop, Play Once, Play Complete, or Spatialization to control the playback. Keep adding echoes to complete your project and save the collection by clicking on the disk icon under the collection image. To run a test with a set of users, set the Publish status to Private and share the link of the walk, which is available in the Creator app via the QR code button. Anyone who has the link and the app installed can open the link and it will open the walk in the app. Finishing your project. Test the project in the Creator app by creating a line. Make sure your line passes through your echoes to make the ideal version of your project that plays through all the echoes. Download the Echoes.xyz app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Test your project by copying the URL and loading it on the phone. If you would like to share your project, set the Publish status to Private and share the URL from the QR code button. Get someone else in your group to test your project and give feedback. When you come to submit your project for assessment, copy the URL from the status bar in your browser when you have the collection open in the Creator app. This URL, not the URL from the QR code, is the one that I will use to assess your work. That concludes our introduction to Echoes. I hope you enjoy making locative audio.